Hey, I'm ALBO. I came to Japan as an English teacher, then moved near Tokyo to pursue my passions. I became a filmmaker because I love cars, Japanese culture, and a good story. I'm lucky enough to live the JDM dream, and so my videos are about my car life in Japan, where I go to car meets and visit shops, do track days and toge runs, build and review cars, and shoot vlogs, short films, and documentaries about Japan's car culture and history. Join me and my friends on our adventures and find out what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. So hop in, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Alright guys, so we're here at FujiSpeedWay for the Nismo Festival and ARS meeting. So I'm here with Japanik over there, and we're just getting some shots of the GTRs pulling in, and it's just endless. Sam would say this is literally GTRs as far as the eye can see. It's just incredible. Alright guys, welcome back. So as you can see, it's just gonna go on endlessly for the next hour or two until 9 o'clock. We're at right now. It's only 8:30 and the event doesn't actually even start until 9. I'm gonna head over with Japanik and we're gonna see the rest of the festival.
Opus kit from Barris, which is one of my favorite body kits from whole GTR aftermarket thing.
Barris?
Barris.
Barris looks good, yeah.
This is 2 million yen body kit.
Oh my god.
Full kit.
前の俺がだから心配になった彼に電話したら
Real carbon fiber one. You can tell.
Yeah. Yo.
Let's go.
Right.
Filming now.
Oh yeah.
Man, you slurp like Japanese people now.
I learned how to slurp. Do you think it's rude?
In Japan, no. It's not slurping. It's not rude. Considered rude in Japan.
That's how you get the flavor. That's how you get the flavor.
Well, like everybody, like if you go
Turkey
to
people would beat you up.
really,
They're like, what kind of eating is this? Get out of here. But in Japan, it's normal.
it's everybody does it. Like everybody in my age does it.
Yeah, like you should. That's how you get the most flavor. That's a proper way to eat ramen noodles. Okay, not with a fork. Not with a fork and spoon. Slurp that shit.
Say that to Dustin.
Did he actually?
I think he did it. He does do it.
Yeah, I need to unfriend him. Dustin, we miss you, man. Next year, I'm gonna run here. Me, you, and Mazda R35.
Oh man, shit. Wait, like, you know, funny thing is, so I bought a FT2, right? And I said like, let's go hang out with my FT2. He didn't came, and I bought a Yaris. Now, if I sold a Yaris, I bought like 3 cars in short 2 years. And those cars are not that cheap.
Next is the R35. I gotta join you guys. I'll buy an R35. Ooh, did I just say that?
Okay, next year, with what car are you coming here? Make your goal. With Yaris again? With Forester again?
Well, next year, okay,
What's your
okay.
goal for next GTR?
No. Come on. You gotta have to say the Cayman GT4.
I don't know. Not for FujiSpeedWay. What do you think?
Me, definitely R35. That's for sure.
Has to be R35. Come on, all 3. Let's get 35.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Man,
You're coming back
so
he's gonna ship.
he's gonna ship his R35. Like, oh, this guy from Germany offered me like extraordinary amount of money that I cannot refuse. So I'm gonna sell my car to him. And bye-bye, bitch.
Fuck yeah, GTR's next year. Let's do it.
I refused so many people for the 34 though. I'll keep refusing.
So that's how you own a GTR. Buy multiple GTRs, flip them, make money, and also make money from your exporting cars to globally. Then you can afford a top secret R35 GTR.
Come on, it's not that expensive from the normal drag edition. That's why we bought it.
Well, we don't want to say the price right now since the deal is not officially gone yet. But well, tell us the sit rep with the Nagata-san and everything.
I can tell you, that'll sell more than I make in a year. And you just did in 15 minutes.
Oh my god! Can you believe it, right? Living in Japan or thriving it, that's a whole nother level.
You need to make good money. That's hard.
Yeah, it's not like cheap when like in other countries.
You need to get out of that TikTok creator fund.